What a magnificent thought to create a day of Thanksgiving. And if we exercise the spirit of it, we can transform our life. But people started to give thanks for their stomach, for their clothing, for their houses and countries, this or that. All these things are good because we need them. But there are higher things for which we must express our gratitude. For example, today I was thinking that I am most grateful to my teachers that they show me the path, the spiritual path. And I am very, very grateful to the teaching that my teachers gave to me. And I think that you can feel the same. I remember 25 years ago, we were sitting in a room and we had 40, 50 people. And they started to tell each other when they found the path and who was the one that took them into the path. And some people with tears in their eyes remembered the day that a lady, that a book, that a man, that a teacher, somebody made them to enter into the spiritual path. And it was such a nice day, I remember until today, that people remembered the one that led them into the path. And what is the path we are talking? The path is very, very mysterious symbol, mysterious concept. I understand the path that leads you to meet yourself. If people cannot find that path, they don't have path. They don't have teaching. A man must slowly find a path leading to himself or herself, so that he or she sees himself as he is or she is. For example, if you are working hard under the car or somewhere, suddenly come and see your face or your body, your clothes on the mirror. What do you think about yourself? You see exactly what you are, how ugly you are, how dirty you are, how your face is turned something else. Now, the path leads you to see exactly what you are physically, emotionally, mentally. And the path does something else that is very interesting, and I'm glad you are hearing these things. The path gives you the light by which you see that things that you are, you cannot excuse yourself that you are. You are not satisfied of yourself. Immediately you are satisfied of yourself, you are out of the path. That's very interesting. Because just precipice, the dungeon, is there where you fall. At the moment, you satisfy with yourself. You remember in the New Testament, there was a rich man, he said, wow, he said, I have so much money, so much friend, and this or that. So he said, my soul, eat, drink, and be happy. Don't worry about anything. Now when he was saying so, an angel came and whispered to his ear, said, you know, The truth is that tonight you are dying. Wow. What I'm going to do with all these things? See, Christians translated this as a materialistic concept. Christ was not talking about wealth, housing and properties, this or that. He was talking about different things. If a man is satisfied about what he is and says, I'm now happy, I'm satisfied, the angel will make him to understand that he is already spiritually dead. He's not dying, because you can't die. Spiritually you die. You really can't die except spiritually. See? When your soul darkens, because you're satisfied with yourself that you are all right, you have a virtuous man, you are a virtuous man. You read few books, you went few meetings, you are the secretary, you are the chairman, you are this, you are that. All right, you are the president. And you become satisfied that you are something. Because immediately you're satisfied, you can't see really what you can be in the future. So you short-circuit all your future. So that's why the path is the path that makes you to see yourself.